Hello, everybody. I hope you had a great day at the Pizza Bugs and Fun in 2026. I hope you met maybe some new people. I hope you found some bugs. Maybe you wrote some text, and I hope you had really good pizza. So, yes, thank you all a lot. Thanks also to the organization team, also to our sponsors. Our sponsors this year were Russian for the hosting and also security check extensions. So check out their services, go to the websites. And there's one important thing this year. There's a Joomla World Conference in October in Potsdam in Germany. So try to be there. I hope to see you there. There will be another bug session there. And the next Joomla Bug Squad will be most probably in January or early February for the next Joomla version. And yes, thanks a lot again, everybody, and hope to see you around soon. Thank you. Bye.